This week's training session, held on July 20th and 21st, 2024, introduced participants to Jurus Silat, the core movements in Silat's attack and defense strategies. The training, conducted in Shah Alam, emphasized the difference between self-defense and competition practices. Participants learned basic techniques such as tumbuk, or punch, tendang, or kick, and sanga, or blocking. Led by GM Mohammad Nizam, Mohammad Shapi, Master Hazim Samsudin, and Puteri Elisa Sarah, the session saw 150 enthusiastic participants. The trainers were praised for their expertise and approachable teaching style. Participants engaged actively in learning various Jurus movements. The comprehensive structure of the training content was highly appreciated, ensuring a thorough understanding of Silat's fundamental techniques. Participants were divided into 3 groups for personalized guidance. This approach ensured each individual received tailored instruction, fostering high enthusiasm, commitment, and curiosity throughout the training. The spacious and well-equipped venue provided a conducive environment for learning. The positive and encouraging atmosphere fostered teamwork and mutual respect among participants. The training improved physical abilities, increased confidence and discipline, and deepened participants' appreciation for the cultural aspects of Silat.